مامۆستا چۆن بە ئینگلیزی ئەمریکی بڵێم هیچ دوکەڵێک بێ ئاگر نییە. This is a Kurdish proverb that's very close to one we have in English. A direct translation gives us there's no smoke without fire. But to use the native English proverb, you want to turn this negative statement into a positive one. Where there's smoke, there's fire. لەکوێ دووکەڵ هەبێت ئاگریش هەیە. Both of these proverbs are used for the same kinds of situations. That when there are signs or evidence of something bad, that usually means that bad thing is real, even if we haven't seen it directly. کاتێک نیشان یان بەڵگەیشتی خراپ هەیە، بەگشتی ئەوە مانای هەیە کە ئەو شتە خراپە ڕاستەقینە، تەنانەت ئەگەر ڕاستەخۆ نەمان بینی بێت. Like if someone is secretly stealing money from a company, but the accounting books show that something is wrong, that there is probably a thief. Now you know that you can say, where there's smoke, there's fire.